Third example, if u x equal to u into 1 plus v and y equal to v into 1 plus u, then find the Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. In this case, x is a function of uv, y is a function of uv. We know Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. In this example, role of x and y are changed. Here xy are dependent and uv are the independent. And that determinant is the partial derivative of x, partial derivative of x with respect to u with respect to v. Partial derivative of y, partial derivative of y with respect to u and with respect to v. Call this as a star. Given x is the u into 1 plus v. Now simplifying this, u expanding this bracket uv, call this as 1, and phi is the phi into 1 plus u, expanding this phi in plus uv, call this second. Partially differentiating 1 with respect to x with respect to u, keeping phi as a constant. X, partial derivative of x with respect to u. U's derivative with respect to u is the 1 and derivative of uv with respect to u is the derivative of u is 1 and v as it is. In the next, partial differentiating 1 with respect to phi, keeping u as a constant. Partial derivative of x with respect to phi. With respect to derivative of u with respect to v is 0. U is a constant as it is. Derivative of u with respect to v is the 1, that is the u. In the next, partial differentiating 2 with respect to u, keeping phi as a constant. काय मिळेल मला? डॅबा y by डॅबा u. Y is the phi equal phi plus uv. Derivative of this with respect to phi is a constant, then derivative of this is with respect to v 0. Derivative of u with respect to v is 1 and v is the constant as it is, simply v is remaining. In the next, partial differentiation 2 with respect to phi, keeping u as a constant. काय मिळेल? डॅबा y by डॅबा phi. Here is the v. Derivative of u with respect to v is the 1 and here is the v. Derivative of that v is the 1 and u as it is. Thus we get 4 partial derivatives. Daba x by u, daba x by v, daba y by u and daba y by v. त्यांचं पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं येईल यांचं जॅकोबियन आता बघू आपण काय आहे. Now star becomes that is the Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. Partial derivative of x with respect to u is the 1 plus v. Partial derivative of x with respect to phi is the u. Partial derivative of y with respect to u is the v. Partial derivative of y with respect to phi is the 1 plus u. Now simply expand this determinant. 1 plus v into 1 plus u and minus uv. Now expand this bracket. 1 into 1 plus u in the next phi into 1 plus u minus uv. That is the 1 plus u phi plus uv. This uv minus uv get cancelled, only remaining 1 plus u plus v, that is the Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. Next example. Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is the partial derivative of u with respect to xy, partial derivative of v, partial derivative of u with respect to x with respect to y. Call this as a star. Given u equal to e raised to x cos y, call this as 1, and v is the e raised to x sin y, call this as a 2. Partially differentiating 1 with respect to x, keeping y as a constant. Dabba u by dabba x, e raised to x the derivative e raised to x with respect to x cos y as it is. At the same time with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. त्यावेळेस काय होईल x as a constant, dabba u by dabba y e raised to x is as it is, derivative of cos y is the minus sin y, that is dabba u by y is the minus e raised to x into sin y, and dabba u by partially differentiating 2 with respect to first with x, keeping y as a constant. Dabba v by dabba x. Phi is the derivative of e raised to x is the e raised to x, and sin y as it is constant y. And in the next with respect to y, keeping x as a constant, then we get dabba phi by dabba y, and phi by y e raised to x is the as it is, derivative of sin y is the cos y. Now we get 4 partial derivatives, and taking the now star becomes Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. First partial derivative e raised to x cos y, dabba phi by x is the e raised to x sin y, and third dabba u by x is the e raised to x cos y, and u with respect to y is the e raised to x sin minus e raised to x sin y. Phi by x is the e raised to x and sin y, and phi by y is the e raised to x cos y. Now take the determinant of this. Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Expand this determinant, this e raised to cos y and e raised to cos, e raised to x and cos square y, minus e raised to x sin y, that is the sin square y. E raised to x is the e raised to 2x and cos square y, minus plus e raised to 2x and sin square y. Take e raised to 2x common into bracket cos square y plus sin square y. Trigonometric identity e raised to 2x into 1, that is the e raised to 2x Jacobian of uv with respect to xy.